Cadillac CTS, we're doing the rear brake pads. Driver side reservoir, like take off the cap, makes it easier to compress the pistons on the caliper. 19mm lug nuts, remove your tire. 2 number 17, one on top, one on bottom, right there, right here. We're going to loosen the top one and see if we can just move the caliper. Try that now. Okay, so once you remove the top number 17, you can just hold your caliper, slide it down. Gonna compress your piston and remove your old brake pads. Do that now. Alright, old brake pads are removed. Gonna compress your piston now. Alright, so I've compressed my piston with the C-clamp. I'm gonna install our new brake pads. Alright, the pad with the wear strips is always your inside pad because they wear faster. I'm gonna install them now. Alright, new pads are installed. I'm gonna push back over your caliper, get it reinstalled. Alright, just push back over your caliper. Reinstall your number 17 on top. Alright, 17's been reinstalled. Cover back your reservoir. Pump your brake pedal before you move off. That's the Cadillac CTS rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.